that's away that might get ox later.
You want me to go south for that?
No.
Okay.
Heavy's currently up on the ridge.
Last guy is over here. It's pretty much going to be like this, okay? Be grouping, go towards the ridge together.
Go towards heavy? We're gonna push 32?
Yes. No, you're gonna push right over here onto this part.
Okay.
Okay,
You're gonna focus out giggles and other side and then swing towards here.
we're almost ready.
Position.
We're almost ready.
Go.
We're gonna go now.
You're pushing.
Until
Just cut
push
my
over,
car.
forward.
We're lit.
Yeah, get into them now. Get into them now. They're in one area of the map. Kill them.
Alright. Out of sight's low.
Kill this guy.
Save the heavies, ignore the guy.
I'm dead either way. Kill him.
I'm on USA.
Oh, hello.
He
Blue
gave up.
crash.
Hello, did anybody see that shot I just did?
No.
No, I saw my tank ram, no.
But apparently out of sight is dead.
Are you guys done?
Almost.
Oh! Oh, I
Oh my god.
my god.
What? How did you kill him?
He ran me.
That's another highlight.
No, but the other shot I did sure was. It's gonna be angry up and Anfield down.
What? Until
Why
pass
didn't
more
I-
angry. No,
I was
angry
playing
up.
member.
Nice.
Seriously? I should have TK'd you.
Alright, what's the lineup? Sorry.